Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TempcoderTech, your go-to channel for Sysadmin, Bash, PowerShell, Python, and SQL tutorials. I'm Mike, and today we're diving deep into Bash scripting as we explore the world of functions. Functions are like the building blocks of Bash scripts. They allow you to create reusable, organized, and efficient code. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how functions work in Bash. Let's open a text editor. Let's start with the basics. In Bash, a function is like a mini program within your script. It's a self-contained block of code that can be called and executed multiple times. You define a function using the function name syntax. Here's an example. In this example, we've defined a simple Greek function that takes a parameter, in this case, Mike, and echoes a greeting. You can call this function by simply typing Greek and passing a name as a parameter. Functions make your code more modular and easier to maintain. Functions become even more powerful when you work with parameters and return values. They allow you to pass data into a function and receive data back. Here's how it works. In this example, we've created an add function that takes two parameters and returns their sum. You can see that 5 and 7 are passed as parameters, and the result is stored in the sum variable. Functions can return values using the echo command. Understanding variable scope in functions is crucial. Variables can be either local to the function or global, accessible from anywhere in your script. Let's see how this works. In this example, we have a global variable, global_var, and a local_scope function. Inside the function, we've defined a local variable, local_var. When we call the function, it prints both local_var and global_var. You can see that the local variable is only accessible within the function. Recursive functions are fascinating. They are functions that call themselves, often used to solve complex problems. Let's look at a common example, calculating factorial. In this example, we've defined a factorial function that calculates the factorial of a number. It calls itself with a smaller number until it reaches the base case. This is a powerful concept for solving problems that require repetitive actions. In this tutorial, we've gone from the basics of what a bash function is to more advanced topics like parameter passing, variable scope, and recursive functions. I encourage you to practice and experiment with functions to gain a deeper understanding. Thank you for joining me in this bash scripting adventure. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your fellow script enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Remember, knowledge is power, and you're one step closer to becoming a scripting pro. I'm Mike from TempcoderTech, signing off. See you in the next video.